Fractal Design has a well-established reputation for high-quality, feature-rich chassis that are surprisingly easy on the budget. We have the tempered glass version of the company's new Define R6 mid-tower ATX case in-house for little review action today. After a brief departure from the company's signature look, let's call it Fractal Design's Meshify C. The Define R6 appears to be a return to the style that made the company's cases famous. In fact, this chassis bears a striking resemblance to the Fractal Design Define S. The Fractal Design Define R6 mid-tower chassis comes in black, gunmetal gray, blackout, and white. Measuring 543 by 233 by 465 mm and weighing almost 32 pounds, this $150 chassis comes with a 2-year limited warranty. The LG V30 is still basically an Android enthusiast phone, appealing to die-hard fans who need the latest smartphone specs, and want killer audio and assortment of fun features. But its competition has only gotten tougher with the launches of Samsung's Note 8, Google's Pixel 2, Huawei's Mate 10, and Apple's iPhone 8. To get noticed, LG's V30 would have to be nearly perfect, and it's not. But it's still a pretty great phone that improves upon both the G6 and the V20. The LG V30's outstanding sound quality and nifty camera tricks are good reasons to consider it. At $829 for an unlocked 64GB model, however, price isn't a compelling reason to pick up the V30 over an $850 Pixel 2 XL or even the $799 iPhone 8 Plus. Neither is the screen, nor the battery. When you add it all up, the V30 is an enthusiast phone that's hard to get all that enthusiastic about.